Mobile-only banking may be one step closer to becoming the new norm. Last week, federal regulators granted mobile banking company Varo preliminary approval for a national bank charter. If approved, it would become the first mobile-only bank in the nation to have a full bank charter. Joining us now to discuss is Colin Walsh, CEO of Varo. Thanks very much for joining us, Colin.
Thank you for having me on the show.
So how will having a full charter allow you to either differentiate yourself from the existing other digital banks or to take on the big bricks and mortar banks?
Yeah, first off, I would say that Varo was founded with the idea that the world sort of needed better banks that were really going to help customers succeed financially. And so the charter is a big deal because I think there's really two things. One, from a product perspective, that right now we offer a mobile checking account, a high yield savings account, lending products. But after we open the bank, we'll be able to offer credit cards and home equity loans and a range of CDs. So we'll have a full breadth of products that certainly other fintech companies will have a hard time competing with that full breadth of product. And then in terms of how we'll compete with the banks is we'll be able to use our consumer deposits to fund our balance sheet and really lower our costs even further that we can then put into lower costs for customers. So it really becomes a win-win all around because Varo will, and other challenger banks, will have much more efficient models because there's no branches, no cash handling, no legacy technology.
So you already offer savings accounts, and you offer, I was looking on your website, 1.5% in your regular savings account, which is clearly a lot higher than some of the traditional banks. Lower than Marcus by Goldman Sachs, they offer 1.85% for the equivalent thing. How successful have you been in attracting deposits, and who are your clients? Because I guess one of the debates of the last 5 years has been, do people really want to put their hard-earned savings with something that they don't know and trust yet, compared to a bank they've seen for hundreds of years?
And I think the savings is certainly an important part of it because it's a key pillar of financial health, but also the fee-free banking. So it's completely free, it's all mobile. So we're really trying to design a product that customers love. The majority of our customers are what you would call millennials, sort of 22 to 36, although we're finding there are a number of younger Gen Xers that are also really engaging with Varo. But I think it's the combination of it's all mobile, you have a full set of products on your smartphone, it's free, and you get automatic savings and high yield savings.
Now, I'm a millennial. I do a lot of my banking online, but there are still times, whether it's applying for a mortgage or some of the other bigger life choices I make where banking is concerned, where I like having a face-to-face interaction with somebody and I like getting some of that hand-holding. I would imagine customer service becomes even more important when you don't have a brick and mortar location.
Absolutely, and we offer live customer service 7 days a week out in Utah, and we're quick to respond to customers who send us an email or they might want to get a hold of us through social media, but you're absolutely right. Having that support is essential.